Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skiller!
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skiller. I want to say big up and respect to each and everyone, you know. And this is what I want right about now. Two pieces of videos that is circulating on social media, you know, and they're getting somewhat of a buzz, you know. And one of the videos is shorter than the other, but they're still short video clips in a way, you see me? Now, one of the video is about a sort of dressing. They call it the next level of dressing. That one, you know, might turn heads to me. And the other one is about a flight attendant, a Jamaican flight attendant saying some things where it caused somewhat of a buzz on social media, alright? Now, anyways, let's get into the videos. The first video I'm going to show you right about now is about the person that is well dressed up, and they call it the next level of dressing. You see it? Now, it's a very short video clip, so pay very close attention to this video, alright? Take a look and observe. Me never see nothing like this yet. Yes, I say? Yeah, the penguin thing, like, and a black and white, so I don't know what to call it, but the top one I wear there all the way to the ground, the pants, well, slim pants, yes, I say, like skinny jeans, the shoes, matching, shirt or everything, and then what top it off is the bag. I don't know if that's a handbag or if it's a cage, because a bird me see night. You see what I said to you? Alright, viewers and subscribers, the next video right about now I'm going to show you is the video that is of the flight attendant, the Jamaican flight attendant, you know, saying some things to the passengers on an airplane, right? And I'm going to leave this video with you, viewers and subscribers. That's what I'm saying to you. But before we leave the video with you, I have to ask you, you know, what do you think about the next level of dressing? Guess what I'm saying to you? And what do you think about the video that I'm going to show you right about now, which is of the Jamaican flight attendant saying some things, alright? And you don't know me, Dancehall Skiller. They have to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I go on, right? And I'm going to leave the video with you right about now, alright? Until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments and let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skiller. Uno big up on yourself. And here's the video. Take a look and observe.
Use your life vest. I like myself, I don't want to know how to swim. So the life vests are located under yours. And if your electronic device falls and becomes wedged within the seat, may I beg on please nobody tear down WestJet seats. To retrieve it, just call one of the flight crews and we'll be happy to assist you in retrieving that item. We ask that you always use care when retrieving your carry-on bags from the overhead bin, including those duty-free items. Come in a while, you finna code nobody on the flight coming in like write up reports. At this time, we'd like to thank you for choosing WestJet. We know that there are many choices out there, and we do thank you for choosing WestJet so we can feed my family and pay my mortgage. If you have any questions or safety-related concerns, please do not hesitate to bring them to our attention. We're going to do this one more time in French. So for all of the yachty them who don't speak French, just sit back and relax and pretend like you understand. Nobody now gonna know the difference.